I am currently on vacation and I'm staying in, where am I? Where am I? Click that button, subscribe, and make it happen. Hey guys, it's Edna making it happen and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am going to do a room tour for you guys right now. I am currently on vacation and I'm staying in, where am I? Where am I? I'm staying in Koh Yao Yai. Koh Yao Yai at a 5-star resort. So I got a discount. Yes, balling on the budget, y'all. And I got a discount to stay at a 5-star resort. And fortunately, Thailand is doing a lot of discounts right now so that people will do more traveling throughout Thailand. Unfortunately, it's because tourism is kind of at a standstill right now due to everything that's happening around the world. Before we get started, as always, if you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you enjoy, go ahead and share this video. Let's see this room. Hey guys, I'm just going to chime in really quickly. This video is actually not going to be too long and I'm not going to do too much talking, but I just wanted to do this video to show how much I really enjoyed this room. There's so much detail in this room. If you look closely at the walls and things, just now when I closed the door, there was an elephant on the handle. In the bathroom is beautiful. The bedding is beautiful. And the view from my balcony was amazing. Yes, so I just wanted to reiterate that I'm really fortunate. I was really fortunate enough to get this deal and be able to have the opportunities to take advantage of it. This room cost me about $100 for 2 nights, which is really a steal because I'm on a small island at a 5-star resort. So yeah, so I'm just gonna leave it here. Just enjoy, and when you get to the view, just appreciate the view and imagine you just waking up and just looking out on the balcony at that view. All right guys, enjoy the rest of the video. Later. Okay guys, that was my room tour. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm about to go off and live my best life on a budget. Please wish me luck. As always, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and click that like button, click that subscribe button, and share this video with your friends and or family members. Thanks for coming back to my channel. I cannot wait. I'm gonna have a great time. Deuces. See you on the next vlog. Bye. Click that button, subscribe, and make it happen.